Hello student, in this video I will solve exercise 15.2 volume and surface area on question number second. So we have question number second. In this question it has been said that find the volume and surface area of the following cylinders given the area of the base and height. Okay, so dear children, in this question we have to ask find volume and surface area of a cylinder whose area of a circular base and height of the cylinder is given to us. Okay, so we have the first part, area of the circular base. This means circle is given A equal to 154 centimeter square and height equal to 8 centimeter. Okay, so this means we have to given us area of the circular base. Okay, base means circular, which is equal to 154 centimeter square. Okay, so we know the formula of the area of circular base of a cylinder, which is nothing but it is the area of circle. This means pi r square. Okay, pi r square equal to 154 centimeter square. So here radius is required. Okay, so we need to find radius r. So substituting the value of pi as 42/7 into radius, it is r square equal to 154 centimeter square. Now simplify, so r square become 154 into 7 by 22. Okay, centimeter square. 154 divided by 22 means 7 times. So from the next line, the value of r square will be 7 into 7 centimeter square, and the value of r we will get after simplification 7 centimeter. Okay, this is the radius we have to find when area of the circular base given to us 154 centimeter square. Okay, so now I will find its volume and surface area. So we know the formula volume which is pi r square h. Okay, so the value of pi r square which is equal to 154. Okay, so here substituting 154 into height is given us 8 centimeter, and now multiply 154 by this is 154 centimeter square. Now multiply 154 centimeter square by 8, so we will get 1232 centimeter cube. 1232 centimeter cube. Okay, this is the volume of the cylinder. And surface area, so we know the formula of the surface area. Surface area means 2 pi r h plus r. Okay, this is the formula to calculate the total surface area, okay, of a cylinder. So here the value of 2 and pi is 22/7, radius r which is equal to 7 centimeter into h is 8 centimeter plus radius is 7 centimeter. Here we can cancel 7 common greater and denominator. Now multiply 2 into 22, so we will get 44 centimeter we have to multiply 44 by 15 centimeter. So we will get 660 centimeter square. Okay, this is the total surface area of the cylinder. Okay, so dear children, this is the required answer of the question number first part of the question number second. Okay children, now move to the second part. Area of the base given A equal to 38.5 centimeter square. Okay, so this means 5 r square equal to 38.5 centimeter square. And same, first I will find what is the radius of the base of the cylinder. So we need to substitute the value of pi, which is 22 by 7 into r square equal to 38.5 centimeter square. This implies radius r square equal to 38.5 into 7 centimeter square divided by 22. Okay, and after simplification we will get the value of this expression, which is equal to 12 into 25 centimeter square. Okay, and further simplification of 12.25 centimeter square, and we will get the value of r, which is equal to 3.5 centimeter. Okay, this is the radius r of a circular base. Okay, then we have to ask find volume. So volume of cylinder equal to pi r square. Yes, so here pi r square is 38.5 centimeter. 38.5 centimeter square, and height is given to us 9 centimeter. Okay, now multiply 38.5 by 9, so we will get 346.5 centimeter cube. Okay, this is the volume of a cylinder. Okay, and also we have to find surface area of the cylinder. So surface area of the cylinder equal to 2 pi r x plus r. Okay, so this is 2 into pi is 22 by 7, and radius r is 3.5 centimeter into h is 9 centimeter plus radius is 3.5 centimeter. Okay, this is 3.5 centimeter. 2 into 22, 44 into 7 5 are 35. 0.5 into 9 plus 3.5. So 9 plus 3.5 is equal to 12.5 centimeter. Okay, this is 0.5 centimeter. And after multiplication of this expression, we will get the surface area of the cylinder is equal to 275 centimeter square. Okay, so dear children, this is the required answer of second part of question number second. Okay, okay children, now move to the question number 3. In this question it has been said that find the volume and surface area of the following cylinders given the circumference of the base and height. Okay, in previous question number second, we have also asked find the volume and surface area of the cylinder whose area of the base is given, but here circumference of the base is given. Okay, this means we have to given circumference of a circle. So the first part is given circumference C equal to 110 centimeter. So this means we have to given 2 pi r equal to 110 centimeter. So first I will calculate radius of the base. So substituting the value of pi 22 by 7 into radius is r equal to 110 centimeter. Okay, now simplify. So 110 divided by 2, so 2 5 are 10, 2 5 are 10, and 11 2 are 22, and 11 5 are 55. So after simplification we will get the value of r, this radius r equal to 7 into 5, 35 by 2 centimeter. Okay, 35 by 2 centimeter. Radius of the, this is radius of the base. Okay, then volume become volume equal to pi r square h. Okay, so this is 22 by 7 into radius r is 35 by 2 centimeter into 35 by 2 centimeter, and height is 20 centimeter. Okay, so here we can cancel 35 by 7 and 2 to the 4, 4 times 20. Now multiply 22 into 5 centimeter into 35 centimeter into 5 centimeter. Okay, so after multiplication we will get the total value of the expression is 19250 centimeter cube. Okay, 19250 centimeter cube of the volume of the cylinder. Okay, and also ask to find surface area. So surface area equal to, this is 2 pi r x plus r. So directly here we can substitute the value of 2 pi r, which is equal to 110. So this is 110 centimeter into height is given to us, which is 20 centimeter plus radius is 35 by 2 centimeter, and again to simplify this expression 110 into, this is 40 plus 35, 75 by 2. Okay, and 110 divided by 2, 5 are 10, 5 are 10. Now multiply 55 centimeter by 75 centimeter. So we will get over 4125 centimeter square. Okay, 4125 centimeter square. This is the total surface area of the cylinder. Okay, so this is the volume and surface area of the cylinder. Here we have to calculate. Okay, dear children, now move to the second part of question number 3. Circumference equal to 76 centimeter and height equal to 30 centimeter. So given 2 pi r equal to 176 centimeter. So this is 22 by 7 into 22 by 7 into r equal to 176 centimeter. This implies radius r equal to 176 centimeter into 7 upon divided by 2 into 22. Okay. So here we can cancel 2 8 is 16, 2 8 is 16, and 88 divided by 22 is 4 times, and remaining numbers like 4 and 7, and product of 4 into 7 we will get 28. Okay, centimeter. So radius r of the base of a cylinder, which is equal to 28 centimeter. Then we have to calculate volume. So volume equal to pi r square. So this is 22 by 7 into radius is 28 centimeter into 28 centimeter and height is 30 centimeter. This is 30 centimeter. Then divide 28 by 7 4 times, and remaining numbers 42 into 4 centimeter into 28 centimeter into 30 centimeter. And after multiplication of this expression, we will get total value, which is equal to 739,920. Okay, 73920 centimeter cube. Okay, 73920 centimeter cube. Volume, this is volume of the cylinder, and surface area. Surface area is calculated by using the formula 2 pi r into x plus r. So here 2 pi r. Substitute the value of 2 pi r directly, which is 176 centimeter into h is 30 centimeter plus radius is 28. Okay, 28 centimeter. So this is 176 centimeter into 58 centimeter. Okay. And after multiplication, 176 centimeter into 58 centimeter, we will get 10208 centimeter cube square. Okay, 10208 centimeter square. This is total surface area of the cylinder. So dear children, this is the required answer of second part of question number 3. Okay.